Create your first vue.js project with the following commands in the command prompt: npm init vue at 3, cd vue project, npm install, npm run dev. We'll write the code to build a click counter with components in vue.js. Every time you click, the number will increase. Open the project in Visual Studio Code and create a new file named app.js. Write the following code into it. Now open the index.html file and add the following code to it. Look at the image at the left. This is what it looks like in the browser. If I click on the 0, it will increase. I will click on it 3 times. You can see the result on the left. There are different ways to define a component's template. We'll use the X template here. Modify the code in the index.html file like this. And change the code in that app.js file like this. Everything still works fine.